Also have some of the unanswered questions of last week which I'll be taking up first. Thank you so much for your wholehearted participation and welcome you all to this wonderful Facebook live series called as Ask the Doctor. Well, my dear friends, as you all know that this is the iPulse day. Well, iPulse, as you know, is the best immune boosting and an antioxidant supplement which is also cardioprotective in nature, which is also heart protective in nature. That is what iPulse is all about. Well, iPulse is a multi-fruit drink which is having the richness of acai berry and 15 antioxidant fruits. Well, dear friends, as you all know that this is the COVID-19 season which is going on, the COVID-19 zamana which is going on actually. See, as you all know that not only the immune boosting capabilities, even the heart protective benefits of iPulse is very much revered. So, heart inflammation observed in recently recovered COVID-19 patients. This is one of the newest studies on July the 28th. This was published actually in Economic Times. The doctors across the world have now found out that even in people who have recovered from COVID-19, the inflammation of the heart is actually seen. This is one of the dangerous things actually. 100 patients were actually taken for this study and 80% of them in the 100 patients, 80 patients actually showed the cardiac manifestations, especially the inflammation of the heart. Medically speaking, we call this as cardiomegaly. This is a condition which is actually seen when the heart inflames or swells up. And this is actually seen in post-COVID-19 recoveries. This was a study which was done in Germany, and the researchers also notified that the heart tissue sample analysis in patients with severe findings showed active inflammation caused by immune system. This is very important. How was this related all about? People got COVID-19, they recovered from COVID-19, then it was shown that their heart inflammation was seen. Why it was seen? Because the immune system was not working proper. This was the final inference what the doctors had to make. See how the relationship is actually made. See, you have the COVID-19, you have the heart problems, you have the immunity again there. That is the reason why all these things are interrelated to each other. So one should not forget that iPulse is not only an immune boosting supplement, it is also a wonderful heart protective supplement as well. It is a cardio protective product. This is one important thing that people have to understand and know about. Another important article which has appeared today, August 7, 2020, many COVID-19 patients suffer from heart problems and lung diseases. This was a very important thing, the recovered patients. What I am trying to tell you here is the people who have recovered from the COVID-19 infection, they are suffering from heart problems and lung diseases after beating the coronavirus. This is what one of the other articles had to tell, one of the clinical trials had to tell us. So some recovered patients are also coming back to hospitals with complaints of lung diseases like the fibrosis. Fibrosis in the sense the hard fibrous tissues as the lung heals from an injury. What exactly happens is your lung is a very, very soft organ. So whenever the lung heals up, normally when you might have seen the wound healing process on your skin. Whenever there is a wound on the skin, initially the wound will be fresh. Whenever the wound is healing, a granulation tissue develops across the wound, a brown color tissue, a hard tissue. Similarly, the internal organs also, it is the same thing. The inner tissues are also, the fibrosis. This is nothing but the hardening of the tissues will happen across the lungs, which is also a very dangerous condition, which is seen after the COVID-19 cases. Again, this is related to the heart, my dear friends. Once again, it is inevitably related to the heart. So not only this, fruits for the prevention and treatment of cardiovascular diseases. Well, now the cardiologists across the world are thinking that the antioxidant fruits are not only important for boosting the immunity, but at the same point of time, these antioxidant fruits are also helpful for prevention of cardiovascular diseases, or in other words, the heart diseases. Experimental studies have shown that especially several fruits like the grapes, blueberries, pomegranates, apples, avocados, such fruits are very important for prevention of cardiovascular diseases inside the human body. Well, most of these fruits are actually present in our product iPulse. Fruits can prevent cardiovascular diseases and restore the morphology and functions of the heart and vessels after the injury also. Well, previously we all know that cardiac disease or heart diseases has some reasons, but these days a new reason is added to the medical textbooks. So this reason is all about COVID-19. So post COVID-19, how will the heart react is one big topic that will actually come into the picture in some days from now, my dear friends. That is where the heart importance starts from now. And we have a wonderful product with us called as iPulse, which can definitely protect your heart. That is where the cardioprotective activity of the iPulse is seen. So now I think you got a point where three important things needs to be related always. One is the antioxidant capacity of the product. The second is the immune boosting capacity of the product. The third is the cardiovascular protection of the product. These are the three major areas where iPulse can give the best of the best health benefits, my dear friends. I hope the point is clear to you. So, as you all know, my dear friends, iPulse is a wonderful product which is also called as a dietary supplement, which is a very good combination of 15 antioxidant fruits. We call this as a synergistic combination of fruits. Okay, there are two types of things in pharmacology. Just for the benefits of the people who are watching, I am telling this. One is called as synergism. The second is called as antagonism. So synergism is nothing but a useful combination of ingredients. So whenever a product has useful combination of ingredients which can double up the activity of the product, this is actually called as synergism. So it's called a synergistic combination of 15 antioxidant fruits. So this is where the antioxidant capabilities of iPulse will come out. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So as I told you, the three important things, again I want to repeat this for the benefit of the people. One is the antioxidant, the second is the immune boosting capabilities, the third is the cardiovascular protection. All these three are interrelated, they are related to each other. Well, along with this, people also have to understand that, well, as I told you, one of the newest reasons for cardiac disease might be COVID-19. But there are the old reasons still pending. We have not cleared the pending things till now. Starting from your diabetes is a reason for heart diseases. Smoking or chewing tobacco or the addictions. Hypertension or the blood pressure. High blood cholesterol also plays a very important role. Lack of exercise also plays a very important role. Unhealthy eating patterns. The dietary imbalances also play a very important role. Stress is a major thing which can create a lot of cardiovascular complaints. Breathlessness. Nowadays it is a very, very huge thing, but still breathlessness plays a very important role in the manifestation of heart disease. Swelling in the legs, we call this as edema, the pedal edema and the pitting edema. We call this as edema in medical terms. Puffiness of the face. Even the kidney related issues are related to the heart as well as the face, both. Excessive fatigue or tiredness. Bloating of the stomach, which we call colloquially as the gas problems. And finally the weight gain and the weight loss, which are related with the cholesterol levels. All these things are the old reasons, but still we don't have to forget the old reasons along with the new reasons. That is why I am telling you, wellness products are holistic products by nature. They are holistic products which can provide you the health benefits from the head till the toe. But at the same point of time, you should understand that the modern synthetic medications that what we are using, they are all target oriented products. They are all tissue oriented or organ oriented products, whereas wellness products are holistic in nature. This is very important. See, today we have around 15 or 20 reasons for heart disease. Now COVID-19 has started. Tomorrow we don't know. There might be 100 new reasons for heart diseases to happen. So that is the main reason why we need to understand that one important thing, we have to protect our heart. How do you protect your heart? It is only by increasing the antioxidant abilities of the body. At the same point of time, you have to increase the immune boosting capabilities of the body as well, by which you can protect the heart. This is what is the relevance of cardiac disease and iPulse. I hope my point is clear to everybody. Well, antioxidants, as you all know that the body itself has inherent antioxidants, but their numbers are very low. So whenever a virus or bacteria or whatever for that matter affects the body, normally the antioxidant numbers are very less. That is the reason why we need to consume dietary antioxidants, or the antioxidants have to be taken from outside. So that is the reason why iPulse is also called as dietary antioxidants. Antioxidants are mainly present in the fruits, which are known by names like polyphenols and flavonoids as well as carotenoids. Again, I want to repeat this for the benefit of others. One thing is the flavonoids, the second thing is the polyphenols, the third is carotenoids. These are the three important naturally present antioxidants within the fruits. So if someone asks you what is there inside iPulse, the first answer that you have to tell is it is a very good combination of 15 antioxidant fruits, of which the main fruit is acai berry. What does the fruit contain? The fruit contains these three natural elements. One is a flavonoid, the second is a polyphenol, the third is carotenoids. So these are the major three important antioxidants which are present inside the fruits, which is actually producing the antioxidant activity inside the human body. So, as you all know that apples contains a wonderful fruit called as acai berry. We call this as a super fruit as well. Acai berry is a superfruit which is found only in the Amazon rainforests of South America. It is a wonderful cardioprotective or heart support ingredient. It is a number one antioxidant for anti-aging support. Its ORAC score, oxygen radical absorbance capacity score, is more than 1 lakh. This is how the acai berry is actually, the scientific validation of acai berry is done. It also has shown a lot of activities in destroying the cancer cells. It is a very good immune system support. It is also used as a dietary supplement for many years, and a lot of scientific publications are available on acai berry even today. As you all know, I want to repeat this point again. We are using the acai berry freeze-dried powder. The freeze-dried product, in the sense, it is not the pulp of the product which we are using. We are using the freeze-dried product, which means that we are taking the acai berry fruits, we are freezing it at minus 80 degrees centigrade, then we are powdering it. This particular process is called as the freeze drying technique. What is the relevance of this freeze drying technique? Whatever the activity of the fruit, whatever the naturalness of the fruit, whatever the quality of the fruit which is there on the tree, which is there in South America in the Amazon rainforest, the same quality and the naturalness will come into our product apples. This is what is the importance of the freeze drying technology. It is one of the very costliest, one of the very sophisticated, new recent technologies which has been followed by us. A very innovative technology which is followed by us. Not only this, my dear friends, as you all know that the World Health Organization gives you a data. Each and every human body requires an ORAC score of 5000 every day for keeping ourselves healthy. But are we really getting it? Are we really keeping ourselves healthy? How do we do that? Suppose if you consume 3.5 kgs of fruits, organic fruits on a daily basis, so you will be getting the ORAC score of 7,000 a day. Sorry, 5,000 a day. That is 3.5 kgs if you are consuming it on a daily basis. But is it really possible for us to consume 3.5 kgs on a daily basis? Absolutely not. That is the reason why we have formulated this apples with a very unique technology. 60 ml of apples will give you the score of 7,000, not even 5,000, my dear friends. It is going to give you 7,000 ORAC units of antioxidants on a daily basis. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So going ahead, it also contains a synergistic combination of 14 other antioxidant fruits, as I have told you. In those 14 fruits, one fruit I am going to describe today. So it's a very important thing that you need to understand this as well. Pineapple is one of the fruits. So many of the people have, in fact asked me this question, sir, we don't get a pineapple smell in the product. No, it is not like that. Normally it is a berry oriented juice, but again, the other fruits are also there in their quantities. So that is the reason why when the berries are more in numbers, the smell will not be there. So, but still it has the importance of pineapple. See, people might not know what pineapple, people might have eaten what pineapple, a lot of times. Well, the most important thing about pineapple that people have to understand who are watching this here is, it is a wonderful fruit which contains something called as the bromelaoids. As I was telling, the carotenoids, there is something called as bromelaoids. These are nothing but the antioxidants which are present in the fruit pineapple. Not only this, it also contains the enzymes called as bromelain. What is the use of these enzymes and carotenoids? As you all know that one of the important activities of apples is to get rid of bad cholesterol. Well, for cutting down the cholesterol or burning down the cholesterol, we require enzymes. What is pineapple going to do? The bromelain or the bromelaoids which are present in the pineapple, these are nothing but the enzymes. These are going to break down the cholesterol molecules as well as the excess protein molecules which are present inside the body. This is how the pineapple is going to help in this particular product. Not only this, pineapple is a wonderful immune system supporter. It improves the vision and eye health. It also has anti-inflammatory benefits. It is also good for common cold and cough. It is a very good bone strength ingredient. It aids in digestion as well. That is the reason why we also call iPulse as one of the best digestive tonic as well, digestive and metabolism improving tonic as well. It reduces blood clots. It also has a lot of benefits for your oral health or the mouth health as well. So these are all the different attributes of this wonderful fruit pineapple. Over and above, if I have to tell this, as I told you initially, it is a very good antioxidant also, my dear friends. This is very important. It is a very important antioxidant as well. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So, as you all know that the root cause of the disease is different, the disease is different. Two things as wellness entrepreneurs everybody needs to know. One is the root causes of the disease. The second is the disease itself. Our duty here is to eliminate the root causes of the diseases. Our duty is not to cure disease. Our duty is to remove the root cause of diseases so that the disease will not come in the future. This is what our importance is. This is what the benefit of the wellness products are. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So what are root causes? Root causes are nothing but the free radicals. As I've told you many times, but I want to repeat this point for the benefit of the people. Free radicals are macromolecules. They are the root causes of the diseases. So whenever the free radicals are present in your brain, a lot of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease can happen. Whenever the free radicals are present in your skin, you can have psoriasis and dermatitis. Whenever the free radicals are present in your joints, it might lead to rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. So, free radicals are nothing but the root causes of the disease. Suppose whenever you consume 60 ml of iPulse on a daily basis, you are cutting the root causes of the disease, my dear friends. Because iPulse is a wonderful product which will act from head till the toe. It will act and benefit each and every cell of the human body. That is the reason why it is called as a holistic health supplement. That is what is called as iPulse. So it has cardiovascular benefits, it has the antioxidant benefits, it has the immune boosting capabilities, it also has the anti-cancer benefits, it has the nervous system benefits, it has the anti-diabetic benefits also. Especially in case of the complications of diabetes, iPulse is a wonderful product, especially for cutting down or reducing the complications of diabetes. Well, so far as the diabetic population is concerned, especially in diabetes, you need to give 20 ml of iPulse in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. It is also good for blood pressure, especially for low blood pressure conditions. Please give it 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. This is how it has to be given. So far as the duration of intake is concerned, you can take it as long as desired, but for a minimum period of 3 months at least. So far as the age limit is concerned, it is important for everyone to consider 1 year onwards. iPulse has to be given. So far as the pregnancy and lactation, for the first 6 months of pregnancy, iPulse can be used. For the next 3 months, it should not be. Similarly, during the lactation or the breastfeeding time, for the first month after childbirth, it should not be used. From the second month onwards, it can be given to the mother. So, this is how iPulse has to be used, my dear friends. I hope my point is clarified and clear to everybody. So, thanks Vivites for watching this episode. I think you might now have understood about the relevance of 3 things: the antioxidants, the immune boosters, as well as the cardioprotective health. These are the 3 important dimensions what iPulse actually has. Thank you so much, Vivites, for your patient watching. So now this is a question answer time. So let me take up the questions of the last week first. I hope there is a link which is appearing below the chat box. Please do log into the link and pose your question. That is also one of the ways of posing your question. I hope the link is seen there. I'm able to see the link at the bottom of the chat box. Please do click the link and then you can pose your questions there. It directly comes to our database. From there also we can answer your questions. So the last week's questions on 7th of September 2020. The first question is by Ms. Rituparna. Sir, can we suggest iPulse to a cancer patient? Will it be effective? One important thing for everybody for that matter, so far as cancer cases are concerned, the quality of life or the QOL is very important. The cancer patient, apart from the disease, has a lot of secondary complications like the digestion, the metabolism impairment, their motion problems, their stool issues, their urine issues. Definitely iPulse is a good product for controlling and managing as a dietary supplement in cases of cancer cases. I hope my point is clear to you. You can definitely give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. So the second question is by Mr. Sanjay Kaur. Is there any harm in taking 3 times iPulse 20 ml thrice instead of 2 times? Very good question. Mr. Sanjay Kaur, if you are watching this, divided doses are always better. You can definitely give 20 ml iPulse thrice daily, half an hour before the food, which can give you the best of the best benefits. The next question is by Mr. Srinivas. Few are complaining of mouth ulcers with iPulse and this is increasing after taking iPulse after food. Please suggest. What you can do is, if suppose mouth ulcers are happening, you can give them 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before the food itself. Don't give it after the food. I hope my point is clear to you. So, the next question is by Mr. Baby Ahebam, if I am clearly pronouncing your name. Baby in 2 years suffering from polio, can we give iPulse and what would be the dose? So this is not a vaccine for polio. Definitely this is a dietary supplement. So you can definitely give 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before food itself. I hope my point is clear to you. As a dietary supplement, you can give this. So the next question is by Ms. Manjula. If you are watching this, 9-year-old girl has asthma. Can we give iPulse? Definitely yes, but one thing is very important. You have to keep the bottle outside the refrigerator before you give it to the patient. Don't give it in the cold condition. This might aggravate the problem. Whenever you are giving it to an asthma patient, give 30 ml in the morning and 30 ml in the night, half an hour before food itself, but please keep it out of the refrigerator. When it comes to the room temperature, definitely you can give it. The next question again is by Mr. Baby Ahebam. Patient is 30 years, hypertension and beta thalassemia. Can we give iPulse? Definitely, please. You can, Mr. Baby Ahebam, you can give it 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast, and 30 ml in the night, half an hour after dinner. It should be after food only. Okay, so let me take up the questions of today. So my colleague Asma has collected the questions for me. So, Mr. Sainath Reddy, if you are watching this, my customer is using iPulse from last 20 days. He complained that feeling itching on his leg, hands and eyes. Very good question, Mr. Sainath. See, normally the detoxification process happens when the wellness products are taken inside or consumed. So normally for the first month during the intake of the wellness product, I would suggest you to consume at least 3.5 to 4 liters of water. This is very important. Or even the fruit juices for that matter, to pacify the detoxification. See, this itching and all can be one of the effects of detoxification, not the side effect of the product. I hope my point is clear to you. So you can definitely give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, but a lot of fluid intake can definitely reduce the effects which are caused by detoxification. So the next question is by Mr. Dharmendra Shah. Can I give iPulse to people of blood cancers? As I told you, as a generalized dietary supplement, health supplement, you can give it for improving the quality of life in a cancer patient. So definitely there are various quality parameters, like quality of the life parameters like the digestion, the metabolism. For such conditions, it will be definitely helpful. You can definitely give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food. So the next question is by Ms. Rehana Zubair. Can we suggest iPulse to pneumonia patient? Absolutely, but the only thing that you have to note here is don't give it in cold condition. Please keep it out of the refrigerator until it comes to room temperature. Then you can give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. I hope my point is clear to everybody. So the next question is by Ms. Pujita. I have given iPulse for 50-year-old person for thyroid. He has taken 5 bottles. Still, how long this iPulse can be consumed? You have to give him for at least for a minimum period of 3 months. Give it at a dose of 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before food itself. Suppose if the person is overweight as well, then you can start with iSlim bar also along with iPulse. I hope my point is clear to you. So the next question is by Mr. Anand Kumar. Can we recommend iPulse and coffee for rheumatoid arthritis with psoriasis patient? How effective it will be for them? Mr. Anand Kumar, if you are watching this, definitely you can give. If the person is diabetic, then you can give iCoffee, the full pouch. If he is not diabetic, along with rheumatoid arthritis, you need to give both the products in the following way. iPulse must be 30 ml in the morning, half an hour after breakfast. And iPulse in the night also, it is half an hour after dinner. iCoffee must be half sachet in the morning before breakfast, whereas in the night it should be before dinner. Half an hour before breakfast, half an hour before dinner should be iCoffee, whereas iPulse must be 30 ml twice daily, half an hour after food. That is after breakfast and after dinner. So pulse is after, coffee is before. I hope the point is clear to you. So the next question is by Ms. Gina Fernandez. If you are watching this, can we give iPulse for piles? See, piles is nothing but hemorrhoids. That is what we call in medical terminologies, or the piles. You can definitely give 30 ml twice daily, half an hour before the food, but ask the patient to consume a lot of water. That is 3.5 to 4 liters of warm water. Definitely should be a practice for a hemorrhoid or a piles patient. The next question is by Mr. Raghavendra. If you are watching this, can iPulse be used for vitamin D and B12 deficiency? iPulse does not have added vitamins and minerals. I don't suggest this for vitamin D or B12 deficiency. No. It does not have any added vitamin D or vitamin B12 inside it. Whatever the nutrition components which are present inside the product are inherently present in the fruits, which are naturally present in the fruits. We have not added any vitamins and minerals. So, for these conditions, it cannot be suggested. So, the next question is by Ms. Deepthi Beda. If you are watching this, if iPulse is used with iSlim, so night, when to drink iPulse? If that is the case, iSlim must be taken between 7 to 9 p.m. Initially, you have to consume iSlim. Later, give a gap of half an hour, then you consume iPulse, 30 ml. I hope the point is clear to you. It should be after iSlim. It should not be before iSlim. It should be half an hour after iSlim bar. So, thank you so much, Vivites, for posing your wonderful queries. I know there are a lot of other questions. As I have told you, there is a link appearing below. Please do click the link and pose your questions there. We will be happy to answer. Thank you so much, Vivites, watching me from India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, East Africa, Bangladesh, Nepal, and the United States of America. Thanks a lot for your patient watching. Appreciate your participation. I'll be back tomorrow with a wonderful concept of iCoffee again.